If you're planning on making some extra cash during your holidays, you've come to the right place. During this video, we'll talk you through the 10 highest paying jobs for teenagers that need no prior experience and are available at any time of the year. Number 10. Dishwasher. While this isn't the most glamorous of jobs, you can earn a decent wage from washing plates, cutlery, and glasses. The plus side, you will learn some lifelong skills that will serve you well later on in life. Number 9. Barista. Are you often complimented on your beverage-making skills? If so, why not get a job at your local coffee shop? You'll learn how to perfect your craft, get free coffee, and get paid to do it too. Working in a fast-paced environment will also teach you some key transferable skills that will make your CV shine. Number 8. Cashier. Did you ever play shopkeeper as a child? Yeah, I did too. Well, now you're over 16. You can become a real-life cashier by working at your local grocery store. All you need to do is put a smile on your face, swipe the products across the till, and handle the cash. Sounds fun, right? Number 7. Movie theater attendant. If you spend most of your time binge-watching your favorite movies, consider getting a job at your local cinema. You can get paid to scan people's tickets, usher them to the movie screen, and get to watch all the latest releases. Sounds like a win-win. Number 6. Pet sitter. If you love animals and have good experience with pets, then becoming a pet sitter is a great first job for you. You could spend weeks to months with your favorite furry friend, enjoy long walks in the park, or cuddles on the sofa. Just make sure your parents know you're having a pet friend over before taking the gig. Number 5. Retail sales worker. If your interest lies in fashion, you can help people choose clothing, shoes, and accessories, take stock, and rearrange merchandise on shop floors. Luckily for you, there's always high demand around the holidays, especially during the winter season. Number 4. Lifeguard. Being poolside is a great pastime for most teens, especially during the hotter months. So if you're in good shape and are a strong swimmer, you can obtain a certification and become a lifeguard for the season. You'll not only get to hang out on the beaches and around pools, but you will also get paid for it too. Number 3. Cleaner. If you're good at cleaning up your own mess, you could clean other people's by joining a commercial cleaning company or looking for residential jobs. Alternatively, you could focus on one area of cleaning, like cleaning windows and flooring. Number 2. Landscaper. Are you a green-figured guru? Spend time sculpting gardens, mowing lawns, and planting bushes for your neighbors, local businesses, or other markets. The best part? You get a good workout in while you're on the job. Number 1. Tutor. If you're a pro in a particular subject, you could become a tutor and help others ace their exams too. While it might seem easy at first, you will need to come up with a lesson plan and ensure your students' money is worth their while. So instead of lazing around on your next break, why not look out for one of these high-paying jobs? All you need now is a sparkly CV to help you get the position. For some expert advice on how to spruce up your resume, check out CareerAddict.com. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.